Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari Portofino and 458. The Portofino is designed as a versatile grand tourer, perfect for comfortable long drives and daily enjoyment. In contrast, the 458 is a purebred mid-engine sports car, engineered for an exhilarating, track-focused experience. While both deliver incredible Ferrari performance, their core philosophies cater to very different driving preferences. Understanding these distinctions is key to choosing the right one for you. When it comes to performance, the 458 boasts a naturally aspirated V8 engine, renowned for its incredible sound and linear power delivery. The Portofino, however, utilizes a twin-turbocharged V8, providing impressive low-end torque and a slightly more refined power curve. The 458 offers a raw, unfiltered connection to the road, ideal for spirited driving, while the Portofino delivers potent performance with a smoother, more adaptable character for various driving conditions. In terms of practicality, the Portofino shines with its retractable hardtop, transforming from a coupe to a convertible in seconds, plus it offers small but usable rear seats. The 458 is strictly a two-seater, prioritizing driver and passenger experience. The Portofino also provides more luggage capacity, making it better suited for weekend getaways. Design-wise, the 458 presents a more aggressive, race-inspired aesthetic, while the Portofino offers elegant, flowing lines. So which Ferrari is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you seek a comfortable, stylish convertible for daily driving and grand touring, the Portofino is an excellent choice. However, if you crave the raw, unadulterated thrill of a naturally aspirated engine and a more aggressive, track-oriented feel, the 458 will be your ultimate companion. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Ultimately, both offer an unforgettable Ferrari experience, just in different flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.